Hey everyone, my name's Sam and welcome to another vlog. It is family day here in Canada today, so we both just have the day off and we're gonna have a chill day. Right now I'm just making brunch, so I'll show you that when it's finished. Here's our family day brunch. I made Johnny some tofu scramble with red peppers and beans and a bunch of spices, some gluten-free waffles, and then I have some tacos with this bean, potato, onion, garlic, red pepper mixture, and some sunflower seed cheese I made. We just got back from our walk. My nose is all cold and red. Even though it was really sunny, it was still quite chilly, but nice regardless. Want to have some tea?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm attempting to make like a mushroom risotto for dinner. I'm using some nooch, rice, cooking wine, onion, mushrooms of course, coconut oil, salt, pepper, parsley, and this is some homemade vegan chicken stock, I guess. I think this turned out pretty well for my first time trying to make risotto semi-properly. I know a couple things that I did wrong. For starters, not using the right kind of rice, but it smells really good and it tastes really amazing. Good morning, everyone. I am just having some overnight oats right now that I put in this old peanut butter jar. It's just some oats, some chocolate soy milk, and dates and chia seeds. I prepped this last night so I'd have something to eat this morning. I usually suck at eating breakfast if it's anything other than smoothies, so overnight oats help. And putting it in old peanut butter jars is something that I've always done because there's always that bit of peanut butter you can't get out, so if you make some oats in it, then you can scrape it all out when you're eating them. I've also been working on a little schedule here. I'm not going to show everyone because it's all my different video ideas for the next month or so. I got recipes, test kitchen videos, vlogs, suggestions from people, so if there's any videos that you'd like to see, leave it in a comment down below and I'll add it to my list. I'm excited for all the videos that I have planned, and I have videos every Monday and Thursday if you didn't know, so make sure you're subscribed and not missing any of them. But I really just enjoy filming and editing and coming up with recipes. It's a lot of fun. I'm also working on writing all my recipes out and putting them all in one place online on just like a blog for now. So once I have that up, I'll be sure to share the link with you. But I should go and enjoy my, let's get a good shot here. There's my chocolatey peanut butter oats. I'm gonna go enjoy my oats now, work on some recipes for the blog, enjoy this sunny day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram @HempVeganLove and subscribe to me here, and I'll see you all next time.